All right, guys, part 3 here of the LV2. We are going to be rebuilding the bolt and the ram assembly. This one's pretty straightforward, really. Okay, we'll start with the bolt here. So, like most bolts, you would think that these are 14 or 15. They are actually 14 by 2s. They're an O-ring player Eclipse likes to use. I don't know why, but they look a lot like a 15, which is the same O-ring that goes on like the tip of your tank. Slightly fatter though. So there's 2 of those right here, and I cleaned off this bolt. She's pretty rough still, but it's actually what 90% of the stuff on my hands was. So this thing should be moving pretty smooth. Like I said, 14 by 2. I guess if you were in a pinch, technically you could run this bolt with no O-rings and probably still run fine. So if you had to, use 14s or 15s. And then the bolt tip is going to be a number 13. And then obviously you have your little fingers in there. Just make sure they're good. So there's the bolt. All right, then we have our ram assembly here. It is going to be a number 10, a number 10, a number 11, a number 10, and then I believe we have a 13 around here. So, all right. So we'll take a number 10 on the back. Number 11, pop that on, and we will take our last 2 number 10s here, and pop these on. Alright, so there's your ram rebuilt. The heavy ram's going to be the same O-rings. Alright, and then I believe is going to be a 13 on this back cap. Let me check real quick, it might be a 12. I think 13's good. 13 feels right. I guess we'll check upon air up and find out. But yeah, that looks right to me. All right, so there's your ram and bolt rebuilt.